Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with a very cool looking car art car, and this is from the Hot Wheels Premium Series Car Culture, and this is a 64 Skyline 64 Prince Skyline GT. Sorry, I pronounced it earlier differently. This is from the Japan Historic Series, and you can see the number is one of five. We have a chase piece also with the same car in the series. Beautiful car art. You can see all the details over here, and the lights, the headlights, how the beautifully flowers are there, and you can see the same on the front also. Right, you can see those flowers on the headlights and the grill. This is a chrome 39 on the top, and GT written on the side livery as well. You can see that there's minute detail over there, right, the linings and all. 39, this is a very historic car, you can say, because this is the origin of our favorite skylines today, right? Beautiful tail lights over there, very basic, not much going on, just red dots over there. So I got this for around 1000 rupees from Amazon India, and that time it was on sale, so I got 200 less. Now it's going around 1200, I think. Yeah, we can see the Japan historics written over here and the other cars from the series, and pretty good card art, pretty good card art. You can see all these things written over here in Japanese something. I'm not sure whether it's Chinese or Japanese, but the card art, this is Japanese, I think. So we get the real riders, wheels also metal on metal. You can see it's written 64 Prince Skyline GT, and tires are cool. I like it's different. This is a very basic car, but the origin of this car, right, the Skyline. So it starts with this. So that's why it's important. I wanted this into my collection. I have much like 3 4 Skylines in my collection, which are premium. So wanted to have this also. Let me know, guys, what you think of this car, right? And ping me in comments. We'll discuss on this. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.